Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you the best Unlinked code for sports application. So if your goal on an Android TV is to get sport applications, then this video is for you because I'm going to be showing you the best Unlinked code that is going to give you access to the best sport apps that you want to install on your Android TV or Android TV box. So if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Sling TV Box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description on this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue. So this is my Android TV box I'm using to explain this video. But if you have an Android TV or a TV box or an Amazon TV, then the process or the concept is still the same. So please follow attentively. So as an Android TV user, we want to watch sports on applications. So there are lots of applications that you can watch sports. And in this video, I want to show you an Unlinked code they are going to use to get some of these applications. So there are many Unlinked codes as you must have seen already on my YouTube channel. As a matter of fact, there is a video on my YouTube channel with top 7 Unlinked codes that you can use. And each of these codes has its own number of sport applications that you can get. But this code I'm about to show you is the best code with most of the sport applications that you need on your Android TV. That's why I choose it. But if you're looking for more Unlinked codes, then just go to my YouTube channel, or at the top of this YouTube there is a link there they can click to see other Unlinked codes that you can use. But this one is specifically for sport applications, so please watch again right up to the end. So as usual, for us to get Unlinked, we need to download down an Android TV. You only know how to download these two applications. They can skip to the part where I'll be showing you the code. But if you don't know how to install Unlinked, neither do you know how to install Downloader, then let's start from there. So for us to install Downloader to our Android TV, we come over to our App Store. So I don't have Play Store, but I can go over to Google browser and use the Google browser to install Downloader. So on my Google browser, I just go over here and I search Downloader. Now the reason I'm using Google browser to install Downloader is because I don't have Play Store on my Android TV. If your TV has Play Store, then you don't have to go over here to your Google browser. Just go over to your Google Play Store and search. But if you don't, then use your browser. Any browser can work as long as you can be able to install Google or log into Google on your browser. So once you search Downloader on both, this is how it's going to look like. Just go ahead and install it to your Android TV or Android TV box without any issues. For those of you who have an Amazon stick or an Amazon TV, just go ahead and search Downloader because Downloader is available on the Amazon App Store. So that's just it. Once you've done installing Downloader, just go ahead and launch. Now the reason why installing Downloader is to use Downloader to install the Unlinked application. So to install the Unlinked application, you just go over to this box here and then you type in the code to install Unlinked, which is simply 10381. That is the code you use to install Unlinked. So once you type in the code, just click OK or done, and then the code is going to launch and the Unlinked is going to be installed to your Android TV. So just wait a moment for the application to download and we'll go ahead and install right away. So here's the application downloading. It doesn't take a lot of time to download, it's just 4 megabytes. Now the application has downloaded, we'll just go ahead and install. It's very simple as that. The application is installed as usual. Please delete the app file from your Android TV. This saves space. Now, if we return home, when we come over to our apps, we realize that Unlink has been installed and it is somewhere here. So here's the Unlink application. We just go ahead and launch. And as I said earlier, this is not the only Unlink code. There are other Unlink codes. And if you need a video for Unlink codes on my YouTube channel, I created a video with the top 7 best working Unlink codes. So you can check out that video if you need more Unlink codes to install applications like movies, streaming, media players, tools, or whatever. So check out that video. Now here's it here, and as I said, to use Unlink, you just have to come out to our library and then you type in a code. Now the code I'm going to be typing here, it's one of the code that has the most sport application. So that's why this video is focused on sport application. Even though this code has other applications, but it has the best sport application, and the code is simply EMT YouTube. So that is the code EMT YouTube. The creator of this code is on YouTube. You can check them out on YouTube. So here's it. You just go ahead and launch. And also all the applications in this code are updated in 2025 and they are all working. Once you come over here, you're going to read all of this. I'm blurring this because YouTube might take down my video because of certain applications in this library. So please bear with me. But if you follow attentively and you type in the code, it's going to bring you to this very app store, as you can see right now, even though it's blur. Now, before I go ahead and show you the applications, I just want to say that while browsing or streaming on your Android TV, it is very, very risky if you're not using a VPN because your internet is not secured and your Android TV might be hacked or got information might be stolen from your Android TV. So please, it is very important for you to use a VPN when you're browsing on your Android TV, especially with applications that you install from apps like Unlinked or other third-party sources. Most of these applications are not vetted, so it's very important for you to use a VPN to make sure that you stay secure on the internet. In the description of this video, I've added a VPN recommendation which you can check out. If you love it, please subscribe and start using. If you don't love it, check on the internet. There are other VPNs that you can use, but do make sure to use a VPN while browsing. So that's it. Let's go ahead and I'll enter. Now, once you enter, as I said, this library has other applications. As a matter of fact, it has tons of other applications, but here we are just interested in sport application. So once you go over here, if you come down just 3 times, you come over to a category that says sports, and here is it over here. There are more than 12 applications here. They are all sports applications. All of them here are sports applications. So you can choose any one you want to install from here, or if you can install all of them and try. As I said, they are all updated in 2025. There is no application here that is outdated. All of the applications here were lastly updated this year, so do not have any issues. Now, how do you install an application here? Is simple. If you've never used Unlink before, to install an application here is simple. You just go to the application that you want and you click on it once, and there's a pop-up that is going to come up saying download. Now, once it comes up, just click on the download, and the application is going to download to your Android TV. Now, it might take a couple of seconds to download, but once it's done downloading, it's going to ask you if you want to install to your Android TV. So that's just easy how like this code works. It's very, very easy to install any applications. So right now the application is downloaded. If I want to install, just click install. My application is going to be installed to my Android TV without any issues. So that's how to use this on Link. So as I said, these are all sports applications. There are more than 8 of them here. I can choose any one I want to install and enjoy without any limitations. But make sure to use a VPN while you're browsing through these applications. So this is the video, and if you found it helpful, please subscribe for more videos like this.